Hey there. So you want to get IPTV running on your iPhone, and I'm going to be completely honest with you. This is a bit different from other devices. Apple has their App Store locked down pretty tight, which means the process requires a slightly different approach. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the easiest method that actually works in 2025. First thing you need to understand is that you're not going to find legitimate IPTV players like IPTV Smarters Pro Direct in the App Store. Apple doesn't allow these apps because of their policies around streaming content. But here's the thing. There are still ways to get proper IPTV functionality on your iPhone. And once you know the right approach, it's actually pretty straightforward. The easiest method that I recommend to most people is using IPTVX, which is actually available directly in the App Store. Now, this app is marketed as a generic media player, but it has full IPTV functionality built right in. Just search for IPTVIX in the App Store and install it. It's completely legitimate. This is probably the most user-friendly option for iPhone users who don't want to deal with more complicated installation methods. Once you've got IPTVX installed, setting it up is really straightforward. First thing you need is an IPTV subscription. Gen X IPTV offers a wide range of IPTV subscriptions. Visit our website to get yours. Anyway, open the app and you'll see options to add your IPTV service. Most quality providers, including Gen X IPTV, will give you either M3 playlist URLs or Xstream codes, login credentials. IPTVX can use either method. If you have login credentials, tap on Xstream codes and enter your username, password, and server URL that your provider gives you. If you're working with M3 URLs, select Remote Playlist and paste in your playlist URL. The app will connect to your IPTV service and start loading your channels, depending on how comprehensive your service is. And with Gen X IPTV, we're talking about thousands of worldwide channels. This might take a minute or two. Once everything loads, you've got full IPTV functionality right on your iPhone. The interface is clean, responsive, and designed specifically for touchscreens, so navigation feels natural. One thing to keep in mind is that watching IPTV on your iPhone will use your mobile data. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, make sure you have a good data plan, or connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible, especially if you're watching high-definition content. Most quality IPTV services like Gen X IPTV Optimization offer different quality options, so you can adjust the stream quality based on your connection. The IPTVX app I mentioned has some nice features built in. You can create favorites lists, organize channels however you want, and even use AirPlay to stream content to your Apple TV or other compatible devices. So even though you're watching on your phone, you can still get that big screen experience when you're at home. Here's the reality about IPTV on iPhone. It's not quite as straightforward as on some other platforms, but once you get it set up, the experience is actually really good. The key is choosing the right app and pairing it with a reliable IPTV service that delivers clean streams and good customer support. Visit our website genxiptv.com if you're looking for a reliable IPTV service. Getting IPTV on your iPhone in 2025 is definitely possible. And with the right approach, you can have a solid streaming setup that works anywhere you go. Whether you go with IPTVX from the App Store or explore other options through TestFlight, the most important thing is making sure you're using a quality IPTV provider like Gen X IPTV that delivers consistent performance and reliable streams. Once you've got everything configured, you're looking in at a portable entertainment solution that puts thousands of channels right in your pocket.